No tough digging, no hammering and spikes or stakes to hold it in place. Today I'm going to show you the easiest, quickest method to install plastic landscape edging on your own. Let's get at it. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more useful tips like this, and to stay up to date with all of my other lawn and yard projects. Let's do this edging. So today I'm going to be using this Vigoro lawn edging. Comes in a 60-foot roll. It's about 4 inches deep, which is awesome for what I'm going to use it for. And I'm also going to be using the Vigoro red mulch because Canada Day weekend. And I like the color. It's complementary to a green lawn. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is get an extension cord. That's what I used. Or you can use a garden hose or anything like that that you have laying around the house. And just mark out where you're actually going to cut the line in for the edging. Pretty simple. Alright, so I've gone all around this section that I'm doing, the first section, and yeah, all you're actually doing is cutting a channel. That's it. Let's lay the edging in. Okay, so now that you have your edge kind of cut out with the shovel, it's time to install the actual edging. So what I'm going to do is just go around, just got something like this, and that's just to clear the channel that we cut. And you just start pushing it in. That's it. Let's do this. Alright, so now that the edging's installed, half hour's work, the last thing you have to do is just go around and pack it down on the inside and outside. That'll stop it from tipping over, but no spikes. Look at that. And you didn't have to dig a huge trench. Just dug it out by hand as you went. Happens quickly. Alright, so a little bit out of breath. Just gonna pick the weeds out, throw the mulch in, and then I'm going to do the other section, but I'm not going to show you the results until the end of the video, so you got to stick around. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm all finished, all cleaned up. If you found this video helpful, then leave a comment and let me know, or if you have any questions about it, leave them down in the comments. I'll get back to you. Alright, so let me show you these results. Let's take a look. Alright, so there you have it, the easiest way to install plastic landscape edging. Took me 2.5 hours, maybe 3, by the time I was all set up and good to go, plus filming. But yeah, hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.